So this is the NISMO front lip. I'm hoping there's a part number or something on the box. There wasn't. There's everything that comes with. This is the Z-Tune carbon lip. This is definitely like one of those inside the box type things. The part number will be like in here. I have been looking for this for quite some time. This is for your oil. The super cool thing is this, guys, right here. This actually creates more downforce than the OEM. You can replace this wood. So you have to do the install, you pull this stuff actually off and you can make templates right away, but then the screws actually go through underneath the wood. So it just seals it up so that nothing's down and exposed. How do you install this? You need to take this off. I'll show you guys. I'm just gonna break these all loose by hand here. A lot of people are asking what kind of wood this was. And it's listed on there's some websites I saw it on NISMO, but you're expected to take this off to do the installation. Let's just take half of this off so I can just show you guys. So the bottom of the car, guys, is gonna get worse damage than that. That's it, guys. The quality of this thing's insane. This is actually multi-pieces. So you can see right here, there's a line, and there's another line right here. Just interesting how they constructed this, but the strength of this thing is insane. Like, this stuff does not flex at all. And then the detail with the way the rivets and stuff are. I'm excited to show you guys this and get it on the car one day soon. But I don't know, man, I think I want to make it matte. Actually, stay tuned. I'm gonna have my next video. I'm gonna go and open the carbon diffuser for the rear. Check those out right now.